does the other one go?
This says live.
We're live?
We're live.
We're live?
We're live.
We're live. Hi guys. Hi. Hey. We're still, you know, technical difficulties.
No technical.
Yes, because we're supposed to have two cameras. One was supposed to point on the item, and one was supposed to point on us, and we don't have that.
Yeah, we don't know how to do that.
So, anyways, Donna says I'm working. Okay. Anyway, we are live, and we are doing a couple of. You don't have your laptop either up. She's cutting out stuff. Well, I'm going to sit here and show you a craft. Quick and easy craft. Well, I don't know how quick because you got to paint it and stuff. But anyways, what we're going to do is we're going to take
like snacks.
I know, don't they?
It's like
I wouldn't advise
chips or something.
No, wouldn't advise biting on those. Anyways, I went ahead and painted this so I can go ahead and show you guys that you just glued the two sides together, and we're going to do that with hot glue against my better judgment, but for purposes of being online, I'm using hot glue again. Okay, and then we're going to take this one, put it up against this one, and we are going to use clamps because I can see that glue, it's not the regular hot glue. I'm using the other hot glue now, so hopefully this will work better. But if not, anyways, you glue those two together. These are the small boxes at Dollar Tree, $1.25 a piece. And then I'm going to be taking these and I'm going to put them to the back of it after we paint them red, white, and blue. And then we're going to put some little flowers and stuff in there. And I have another sign that I'm wanting to put on the front as well. So anyways, we're going to be chatting with you guys and doing our live. And Cindy's going to be chatting with you too. Because, yeah, I am looking for red. There's my red. Okay. I need red and white paint. Let me set this over here so this can dry. And that way you can kind of see this one. And all I'm doing is red and white, red and white, red and white. Okay, all the way across. You can turn it the other way if you want to, like this. But I'm turning them this way because I want them to be more like a picket fence and a flag, in a sense. So anyways, I'm going to do, dang it. Okay, I'm going to do red. And what I do is I do every other one and I just put me some red paint on. Because when you're on here, oops, you're kind of in a little bit of a hurry. And so that's kind of what you got to do. Okay? So this is not chalk paint. This is Americana Deco Art. And I use both. Chalk paint dries faster. So I probably should have done chalk paint. But of course, you know, I didn't.
Just more time to spend with you guys.
Uh-huh, that's right. That's right. So what's everybody doing? What's everybody want to see? If there's any crafts that you want to see us do, please let us know.
Videos you want us to do?
Yeah, any TikTok videos, anything you guys want to see us accomplish or do or try to do. Nobody said we had to accomplish it, you know, like totally. But anyways, yeah, anything that's new that you guys have seen. Remember the last time we told you guys if there's anything that you've seen and you want us to do it, to try to show you that we can do it instead of paying the Dollar Tree price or not Dollar Tree, but the Kirkland's. I think we were talking about Kirkland's. If you want us to do that instead. I'm having to take off some of this paint because I put way too much paint on here. So easy on, easy off. Okay, so, and these you don't have to really worry too much about getting on the opposite piece because they're so far away, but yet I'm managing to do that just fine. I've been taking some classes and stuff, and getting really excited about, you know, what's to come with that, which we can't really say right now, but it's in the works. And
there we go.
well, don't do that because I may need them.
just need them for a second.
She's a thief. She steals everything. I swear.
I'm not a thief. I just lose everything.
Plus, we were going to tell you guys. Oh my gosh, we went to Taco Bell a little bit ago. I wanted to get me a Mexican pizza, and I haven't had one for a while. So we wanted to get us a Mexican pizza. Her and I was going to get us one. We pull in, and they said they no longer have them. They are out of stock, they're not going to carry them. What's up with that, guys? So if you can get you one, you might want to get you one before they tell you guys also, if they aren't already, that they're not making them anymore. Why? They don't know. They couldn't tell us anything because we were just like, does that mean like for good? Or what? And they were like, we don't know. They don't tell us. We don't know.
There was an official sticker on the drive-thru, so it wasn't just a paper written out of stock. It was an official written one.
Yeah.
I mean, stamped everything, yeah.
Yeah, they meant business when they did that sign. And I would say it probably went to every Taco Bell, I would assume, but I don't know that for sure.
Oh dear, Tina.
So, what happened now?
Yeah, you're,
Now, watch her blame it on me here.
It's definitely your cricket, not mine.
It's not the cricket that's doing anything, is it? Is it the mat?
It just went too deep, but it's fine.
Okay.
I'll just change the setting.
Oh, so that would be a you thing, not a cricket thing.
No, because mine, when I put glitter iron on, it cuts it perfectly. But this is yours. The jinxed one.
Look at her blaming me. I never have a problem with mine. F her. But that's okay. Blame me. I don't care.
I am.
She is. And she don't mind saying it.
Nope.
So anyways, I'm trying to hurry up and paint these. And I at least got the blue planter part of it. I got it done. And I'm thrilled that I got that done. And trying to think... anyways, I've been doing these classes and stuff and learning a lot.
I'm so proud of her.
Just learning tons and tons of stuff that we had no clue about. At least I didn't. I don't think she did either.
No.
But, I mean, it's very beneficial for what we're trying to do. And we are excited and we can't wait to go further.
You guys along the side and watching us from the beginning.
Yeah, and if you guys can comment, that would be fantastic. The more comments, the more algorithms, the more they see that we have people that are interested in what we're doing, the better it is. So we want to comment with you guys. And right now, Dale is watching. Carol Ship. Hi, Carol. Welcome. Oh, I'm dripping red paint. That would not be good to drip that on my carpet.
What do you need? What do you need?
No, I got baby wipes over here. I'm smart. I have baby wipes. But anyways, let me keep going with this and trying to get this done real quick so we can. No, I got it. It was just dripping. I got too much red paint on here or something. So I want to try to clean some of that off because I do not want to have it dripping on my carpet. That would not be good, huh, guys? Guys and gals. Anyway, like I said, I've been doing these classes. I know I'm jumping all over the place. And learning so much every day. And then Cindy got to see a little bit of what I've been doing today because I had another class today to do. And so, in a sense, it's teaching... I can't tell you exactly what it's teaching, but it's teaching us how to get started on a certain thing that we want to get started on, which is going to make us grow even more. And we're going to come on and we're going to ask everybody what they think about us doing this and would they participate in it as well. So the more comments that we can get from you guys now, the better. Dale, operator error, laugh out loud. Nope, wouldn't be good. What? What are you talking about? What's an operator error?
Talking about me and the cricket, I'm sure.
Oh, that's true. Yeah, he knows it's Cindy.
Yeah, right.
He doesn't have a clue as far as that goes, but we're just going to say he does since he's on my side on that one. So
I'm just going to start pointing out your lovely office and what's in it if you don't have my back.
Okay. Whatever. You see my create sign? I don't know if yeah, you can see the words up there. I finally got those up. I've had them for, I don't know, 2 months. And I finally got them up. And this is what it looks like on one. And then the other one, of course, it never comes out exactly right. But I probably should have just done red, white, red, white, red. And then done this one, red, white, red, white, red. But Tina didn't do that. So anyways, it does look a little odd, I think. So may end up switching that one out later. But for right now, we are... Let's see, if I do that, it's every one of them I got to repaint. So...
I say go with it.
I say it would look better if I repainted it. But it definitely would look better if I repainted it. But for right now, I'm going to try to dry this real quick. And then show you what I'm doing with that. And then we also have another sign that I'm going to put on the front of it. And once it's done, it'll be so cute that y'all will want one. And it's so simple to go to Dollar Tree and buy two of these things. I'm doing them to the back because I don't want that on the front. You'll see why here in a minute. And then again, I wanted to stain in between it, and I'm not gonna waste everybody's time staining. We all know how to stain and stuff like that, so I'm not gonna do that. Anyways, what's up? Nope, would be good. Yep, laugh out loud. Dale, what are you talking about? Nope, wouldn't be good. You mean if I tell everybody about what I'm talking about before we do it? Okay.
Explain to them why we had to get on last week. We could explain that.
Why don't you do that? Why don't you explain while I'm trying to do this? Huh?
I said, because I'm over here trying to do this.
Okay, she was wanting to explain why we were so overwhelmed last week. My daughter-in-law, her dad, unexpectedly, very unexpectedly, died. And so we literally was just like dumbfounded as well on like, you know, this can't be happening, this is not real kind of thing. And it was, obviously. And so we were all trying to scramble around and see if we could help in any way. And, you know, my husband went over there and tried to help out the best that he could. And so anyways, that was why we were having such a down day that day. And
she's getting ready to get married.
Yeah, she's fixing to get married to my son. And he was going to walk her down the aisle. So if you can imagine that, it's been a rough time for her. And thank goodness my son was able to, you know, get off of work real quick. And hi, Gail. Get off of work and be able to be there for her and stuff. I'm sure, well, she's said it many times that she just couldn't have done it without him there. And, you know, so I'm glad that that was able to work out that way. Not always, is it? And so, anyway, no. Anyways, you take it from there while I'm doing this with whatever we were going to say about that.